Hi, Top Chairs channel. Welcome. Here I'm at the one of the largest manufacturer here with the office chairs in Anji County. Yeah, let's take a look. Firstly, I'm gonna show you around a little bit with their exhibition center. This is the couch, beautifully made, and the factory was moved from Canton, so their stuff is a little bit more higher end than the regular manufacturers here, and of course their products are a little bit more expensive as well at the same time. These are the office chairs, mesh, high quality. So these mesh fabrics are from Cixi city in Zhejiang province. I'm gonna show you guys around here a little bit. Look at this. This type of chairs are really cool. All their products are, SGS and BIFMA standard. Really high quality. Feel free to import them into your own countries to make a lot of money. For their own products, they have their own testing lab. They got the gaming chair as well. These are the fabrics in different colors. So actually the fabric and materials and also their colors can be custom made. So if you have your own preferred materials or colors or fabrics, just bring this up. The factory here, they can make a sample that is unique for you guys. These are the production lines. We're going to take you around in a little bit. So this armrest, it is different from the other type of armrest because it got like a four-way adjustable directions, which is amazing. You saw this gentleman just now demonstrating it. Yeah, we come to the aging testing kind of department or lab. This is for the base and also the casters. This is testing the back of the swivel chair. So they're gonna keep doing this for around 120 times within around 2 weeks, and that should be good enough for about 4 to 5 years regular use at your office. Wow. 85,030 times are already okay. Now it's 85,032 times now. Wow. 什么东西都很专业。然后那边是我们的扶手的一个疲劳测试。Not only for the base and also the back, they do the test with the armrests as well. But it's not operating at the moment. 这一款是我们的一个坐面冲击。这个在冲击是吧？对。And they're gonna do just one-time shocking or one-time test. The weight for the inside the bag is about 136 kilogram. Here's the static pressure test machine. So
11120，
okay.
然后转到1500磅。
So look at this. This is a BIFMA testing standard. So the weight is gonna sit on top of the seat for about 1 minute, and under, 11,120 N, or equivalent to 2,500 lbf. That's amazing.
然后这是我们的一个测试结果，最大压力公斤2000多公斤。
So check this out. This is the maximum weight it can endure, which is about 2,000 something kilograms. Wow. Here are the warehouse for the final products that are waiting to be delivered to your company. So here we come to the warehouse for all kind of different parts and the materials and accessories, etc. It is huge. So there are in general 3 different production lines, and there are 2 for the bags, different kind of bags, and also there is 1 production line just for the seat. These workers are getting nervous when they see that I'm bringing a camera with me. Chinese people are very shy in front of cameras in general. I'm sorry for them. So here I'm gonna tell you what is the difference between the injection form and also the cutting form. So this is actually done one piece, done by the injection molding machine. So they are called injection form, and it can be attached to the wooden platform here. Now let's look at the cutting form. So as you can see, these kind of cushions are cut from the sewing machine.
OK
就是那个我看下面很多模具的嘛，铁的。
是的，是的。
哦。
这是注塑的。塑料的。
好。呀，好。注塑。We're here with the injection molding department. These are the bases that are produced by this department. 这是塑料的还是尼龙的？尼龙是吧？nylon base. They are very strong. Base is the produce all kind of nylon or plastic parts here. Look at this, the armrest. These are the fixed armrests. It's hot. 还可以。Yeah, it's fresh and hot. This injection machine is the largest one. Look at this. It's just like a small truck, like a 5-ton truck. And they're gonna use the largest molding here and put them inside these boxes. And then the larger parts in the chair will be produced here in this box, like the plastic frames, this kind of thing, or you know, the molding machine of different kinds. A worker is working on the plastic frame of the chair right after it's coming out from the injection molding machine to make it more, you know, polished or smoother at the edge of the plastic frame body. So they have their painting lab as well. So they, you know, these are painted, very smooth, very thick layer of painting, very good quality. 这是电镀吗？还是也是烤漆来的？
这个是吧？
啊，
电镀它是那个银色的。
哦，了解。These are also painted. Painted. This manufacturer has laborers that are between 200 and 300 people. Let's check inside the painting lab.
它是租赁其实差不多，它也是那个原料上去的。这边，
好，
这边味道比较重。
没事。稍等一下啊。
上面的话。
So this is the painting machine, and after they do it, they will dry it out on these hangers. They're gonna hang the painted parts here to dry them out. Thanks very much for watching Top Chess channel. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook. We're gonna see more factories for you guys. Stay tuned.